To move. I'm happy to move. Can I have the court number, please? Can I have the court number? Stop being silly. Stop being silly. Right. Stop pulling. You assist. Yeah, little man. Yeah, I reckon you are. Oh no! Yeah, off of me. I've got a member of the public. Zach. Who recipe for him? Zach?
Okay, so I'm here at Zach's caravan because he's got some visitors.
They're actually assisting the crime that's going on here at the minute. There's no court number. Well, they can't provide a court number. I'm right to have the sergeant down here to actually run this through. They're not allowing me. We've got people not giving names.
Come here. It's not for us to give you the name of the court. We've told you who the court is. It's for you to phone the court. You to look up the number. Let's
just get this correct, right? I phoned Norwich Magistrates Court, right, and there was no name on there. So that means this paperwork you've created, you're creating your own judicial paperwork. Well, obviously you have.
Just a word. This won't go in front of a judge. This goes in front of a magistrate, not a judge.
The council hire.
Right, so we've caught you out.
No, you haven't.
Now
this goes to a magistrate's court.
We've got the police here assisting
this
this crime.
To a magistrate.
Have you made the court police aware of what you've been up to?
This goes to a magistrate, not a judge. This doesn't go to Crown Court, fella. This goes to magistrate.
So where's the court number?
What?
I want to see the court number, because that's a crime that's happened here.
Explain what you mean by court number. Do you mean a telephone number?
No, there should be a number.
A case number?
There should be a case number, a proper number to all this.
Okay.
Right? There's never no name. Do these guys know that you've actually hired your own court and it's not by,
well, I don't think we've hired our own court.
Not by a proper judge.
Right, hold on, fella. Hold on, fella. This was applied for by Breckland Council. Not us, we're agents for Breckland Council. We're here to carry out what they have requested us to do.
Are you aware that they've committed all this fraud then? Because you're now liable for this.
It's down for you to take up with Breckland Council.
I've rebutted their so-called claims.
Take it up with them. And if
technically he has, because I helped with the letter, and the letter has gone in, so you shouldn't be here.
Who are you?
I'm someone who's been documenting this. I am me. I don't. He does.
I'm me as well. But you say to us, we want your name, we want this, we want that.
He's asked for your name. He's asked for your name.
I've asked who you are.
I'm me.
Yeah.
I'm Chris from LSP Film Productions.
Oh, well done.
Yeah. So can you show me the court number, please? You're banging trouble here.
Okay. Well, I'm banging trouble.
Well, you are. You won't give your name. You turn it.
You've even got the police. I've told you the company that we work for. If you have an issue, take it up with our company. We're Bryan LeCoche Ltd.
Well, if you're a company, then how comes you ain't got a name to all of this that you're now taking away then?
What do you mean you haven't got a name?
Well, who's the name then? Who you after?
I've told you, Bryan LeCoche.
Yeah, and who's the name you've come down here for today?
What, pardon?
So you've created your own courts?
No, we haven't created our own court. It's quite clear what we have done. We're here acting on behalf of Breckland Council. There was a court order issued by Norwich Magistrates.
Yeah, so the number was rung up and there wasn't no one on there.
Well, ring it again.
What, and then the same will happen?
Ask them.
So you're happy carrying on this?
Yeah, we are.
Taking the law into your own hands, are you?
Jack, at 09:55 is going to get on the road. You've got 2 minutes to get your stuff out.
Hang on a second, but we haven't got a court number here, so you happy still aiding and abetting in this crime then? Are you happy with that?
To the peace.
Okay, well, would you mind stopping this gentleman smashing everything the Thetford Council?
Move out of the way, please.
Yeah, can I have the court number, please?
Right.
Move out of the way, please. Hang on a second. I'm happy to move, but can I just have the court number, please? Can I have the court number, please?
You phone the court up.
Can I have the court number, please?
If you want the court number, you phone the court up.
Can I have the court? I'm happy to move. I'm happy to move. Can I have the court number, please? That's all. I just want. No, I'm happy to move. Like I said, I'm not. Can I have the court number? Right. Can I? I'm happy. Just can I have the court number?
Right, Zach. Listen. Right, stop being silly. Get yourself arrested. Stop being silly. Stop being silly.
Are you aiding and abetting in the crime? Are you aiding and abetting in the crime? Are you aiding and abetting in the crime? Are you aiding and abetting in the crime?
Zach, just come and speak to us over here, mate. Right, why don't we get a sergeant? We will get a sergeant to you.
Yeah, are you aiding and abetting in the crime? Where's the court number, mate?
Pardon? All the relevant paperwork.
Right, stop pulling. You assisting these bailiffs? Are you assisting these bailiffs? Are you assisting these bailiffs?
Don't push me.
Do you have to see this?
Don't push me. Right. Cool. There's a big one.
Fuck off, you little man.
I wouldn't start.
What?
There was a court order
if we
in
was to
place.
proper start about the costumes,
It's been seized
on a civil
by
matter.
them under the court. It's done.
On a civil matter, if you want to take your costumes off, I'll have it with both of you. Oh, what a joker! Right.
Oh dear, somebody's van's accidentally broke down. Still, he's living the dream.
Want us to push it out of the way, mate?
We can all push it for you.
We'll push it out of the way.
You can't push automatics, is it automatic?
No, it's
oh, that's a shit.
I mean, you have to fucking old Bill turn up. You're a bit of a loser, really, aren't you? Do you know what I mean? I reckon you're a scared little man. You're a scared little man. Yeah, I reckon you are. Do you know what I mean? You know, I can see you're getting a little bit upset, ain't you? Can't handle a bit of eye contact. Do you know what I mean? You think you turn up to take the community project. You're pathetic, mate.
Just walk away.
You're pathetic.
Walk away.
Pathetic.
What? Zach, can you stop the highway? Can you be on the path, please?
It's fine.
Can you be on the path, please? Zach, you're obstructing the highway.
How am I obstructing the highway?
Can you move on to the path, please?
How am I obstructing it?
I've asked you kindly. Can you
I
move on to the path,
thought you
please?
was here for the breach of the peace.
Yeah, no, we are. But now you're obstructing the
How
highway.
comes you're aiding and abetting in the crime then? Assisting bailiffs? Who's this bloke? Who's this bloke?
Zach, come on. Zach, move away.
Who's this
Move
bloke?
out of the way. Move out of the way.
Well, you do know you're liable for all of this.
Okay, Zach.
It's not looking good.
Okay. Can you please move on to the path, Zach, rather than obstruct the highway?
It's not looking good.
Down the way.
Because, you know what I mean, you've only even got the court number.
Just move on to the side. Move on to the side, please. You're obstructing the highway.
Are you happy to aid and abetting the crime?
You just need to move over.
Are you happy aiding and abetting in the crime?
Just move on to the path. Move on to the path.
Are you happy getting in your costumes in the morning, turning up and aiding and abetting into crimes?
Do you give me permission to speak to these?
Yes, you do. You have all my permission, mate. You have my permission. You have my permission. Here we go. There's the Mackenzie, my friend. Here we go. It's got to go. That's got to go. Look, he's got the paperwork there. Well, spin around and do a 180. What's he saying?
I'm talking to you.
Turn round. Turn round. Turn round.
Guys,
I wonder if we go step on the path.
right, now, right.
You want the crime to happen. You want the crime to happen. You want the crime to happen, obviously. Turn round. Turn round.
Now, what you're...
Turn round. Turn round.
Get off of me.
No.
He's touching me, sir.
So what are you doing?
Right. You need to read this. I've just seen you and your guy assisting these guys.
He's got the paperwork.
Right. This paperwork here,
At the moment,
I'm gonna have to read this to you.
Just not at the moment.
I'm telling you now, use a banging trouble, mate.
I'm going to have to read this to you. Section 26.
Move over there, please, first.
You've got to stop touching me. You've got to stop touching me. This is assault. This is assault. Of course it's assault.
You've got to move out of the highway. We'll have a civil conversation with you
You're
over
touching
there.
me as well now.
I am, yeah. Because you're obstructing a highway.
Right, okay.
Yeah, because we're trying to prevent something from going until you've been spoken with.
The paperwork's there.
This is why you need to contact a sergeant now. Section 26 of the Criminal Justice and Courts Act 2015 makes it illegal for police officers to improperly use their powers. Are you listening? Are you listening?
No, yeah.
To improperly use their powers. Okay, and privileges. This includes police constables, special constables and transport police. You're not listening.
I am listening.
Right, the offence is committed if a police officer improperly exercises their powers and privileges or knows or should know that the exercise is improper. Now, we've got evidence that the documents being served did not come from a court.
I'm going to press another officer, mate. Huh?
Excuse me, sir.
You're in for a breach of the peace. What
Stop
are you doing?
pushing against it.
Before we go any further, can I take your name and your badge number?
You are in trouble here, mate. You're aiding and abetting in the crime. You've got no court number.
Can Can I take your name?
We're stuck on the highway at the moment.
Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me, you cunt.
Right, Zach, you're banging trouble, mate.
You're banging in trouble. How is this breach of the peace, though? Look, honestly,
you're obstructing the
how can you
highway.
put your hands on me for?
Excuse me, officers. You are now in breach of Section 26 of the Criminal Justice and Courts Act 2015.
Listen.
You need to listen to this because you are personally liable in aiding these guys. You are
Personally.
now in trouble. You could go to prison for 14 years for what you're doing now.
Not hiding behind your costume.
You're blocking the highway.
I'm stopping a police officer committing a crime.
I'm not committing a crime.
I'm stopping a police officer committing a crime, mate.
I'm not committing a
You're
crime.
aiding these guys.
I'm not. I'm preventing the breach of the peace. They're trying to do their job, and he's preventing
Right,
that.
you haven't listened to anything. These guys,
What is that?
have produced documents that did not come from a court.
You haven't got caught.
Stop pushing it.
Why don't you just stop oil like that?
Right, Zach. Just come to the side, mate. It's on the side of the station, alright? Stop pushing against police officers. Stop it.
Right, you've now got a member of the public assaulting Zach. You've got a member of the public assaulting Zach there.
Hand behind your back. You're under arrest for breach of the peace. Zach.
How the hell could it be breach of the peace when you're the fuckers aiding in the crime?
You have not listened to anything I've said.
Zach, stop resisting.
You fucking clowns.
I'll tell you what, officers, you have caused this.
Zach, stop
You have caused
resisting.
this. You're in breach of your oath. You have aided these council workers and these bailiffs with documents that did not come from a court.
Street level, please. Zach, you're under arrest for breach of peace. Release your arm now. Stop resisting. Yeah, Zach, stop resisting.
Mate, resist. Fight him legally.
Zach,
Fight him legally.
place your hand behind your back. Zach,
Yes. I'm going to place my hand behind my back when you're fucking in front of it, you can't cut. Because you can put your hand behind your back.
hand behind your back, mate. Stop resisting.
You need a sergeant here, guys. Guys, you need a sergeant down here. Because you haven't, you don't know what you're doing.
Behind your back.
I haven't even heard
behind your back.
anything you say maybe.
No. You haven't read him his rights or anything.
Release your hand behind your back.
Breach the peace, right?
You don't understand anything, Zach.
I love the way that we have to tell them how to do their job.
Move your hand from under yourself.
You need a sergeant here, guys. Because what you're doing is it's so bad. You're in breach of your oaths.
Leave your hand underneath, mate.
See one. Will you get your name, please?
Already have asked for it.
Hand behind your back, Zach.
Hand behind your back.
Zach. Zach, stop resisting. Zach, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for breach of the peace, Zach.
What's your charge? What's your charge? You turn up, you aided and abetting in a crime tonight. You're going to be banging shit when all's said and done, pal.
Bring your arm out, Zach. Bring your arm out.
Hello, mate.
They've allowed these guys to take that with documents that did not come from a court. I'm going to read something else to you now. With what you're doing with Zach now. Section 134 of the Criminal Justice Act 1988 criminalises the torture, defining it as intentional infliction of severe pain.
How the fuck can I put my hand behind my back?
Easy, you bend your arm.
Mental,
You go loose. Place the hand behind your back
in
now.
official capacity.
Zach, hand behind your back.
Carries a maximum sentence of life imprisonment. Are you a sergeant?
Go on in front, Zach. Go on in front.
Like, right?
It's a public vote.
Like, right?
Cool, Zach, so you're under arrest for breach of the peace.
Hello, mate, you right?
Would you like to say anything, but it may be in defence, you're not mentioning anything to the court. Anything you do say may be giving evidence.
You need to check. You need to check to a sergeant. What these guys are doing is you're in breach of the oaths. Yeah.
T1, someone bring a van down, please.
You're aware. Right, you guys need to read this. Section 134 of the Criminal Justice Act 1988. You need to go away and study it.
Get out of the way.
Calm down.
Calm down. Have you just witnessed what's happened?
You just kick it out.
Aiding and abetting in a crime for a police office. Behave yourself. Behave yourself, you know what.
Got the bank keys. Got the bank keys.
I can't wait to seal your faces once this is all done with. Yeah? You're nothings.
Who does it belong to?
Common land.
Who does it belong to?
Not him.
Well, you told me who it belongs to.
Not me. Not you. Not him.
Well, who then?
It's unregistered, love. Like lots of pockets of land, so it belongs to no one. So they have no authority to remove him off land that doesn't belong to them.
So where do I go from here? You're acting on the council.
Yeah. You guys are banging shit, I'm telling you that now. You ever seen Demolition Man? Have a look at it. You ever seen Demolition Man? Have a look at it.
You're like a fucking robot, over and over and over. Sue the council, sue the council.
It's because they've got no answers.
You know what you're doing.
Ever wondered why it wasn't done? Ever wonder?
Prove it.
No,
We do tell them why. Hence why you
guys don't know.
There is no proof.
Documentation.
You don't know what you've just gone and done.
It's a section 78 notice.
We've actually got
Right,
time there.
hold on.
You don't realise what you've done.
We are
You feel a
acting
bit
on
stupid,
the
do you?
information
You
that
feel a
we
bit
have.
stupid, do you?
Right?
Oh, no, it's just
Right?
stupid.
They've outlined the land. We've come in. We've shown him what the notice is, and then we've removed the council.
So who does it belong to?
Right. Speak to Breckland Council.
They don't answer. You're not listening to what we're saying.
But what we are saying...
We're the public.
Right, hold on.
They work for us.
Hold on, they do.
Go on.
Quite right. And we're also working for them. Speak to them, and then get back to us.
What part of the council?
I have no idea.
You have no idea.
I have no idea what
That's
part of the council.
amazing.
About the documents that they've
You
served.
are amazing, people.
It's a section 77 notice.
Yeah.
And this is a section 78.
Right.
It goes to magistrates, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
which
we've
is what they've done.
contacted the magistrates
Okay.
and the county courts, and none of them have issued any orders
Right.
against Zach.
Right.
None of them have issued.
This is what we've been given.
Yeah.
Right, and that's what we're acting on.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Fraudulent.
yeah,
That's fraudulent.
This is
It's
why they wouldn't
fraudulent.
give Zach the court number.
Take it up with them.
No, but you are personally liable. This is what you don't understand.
We're acting on the...
Yeah, but you're still personally liable.
That's what we're acting on. Section 78 notice.
Commit crime.
Okay. I've
The
told you
court
what the
number
notice
doesn't
is
exist, and
and
look
what
at you
they've told us.
standing there laughing. You're liable.
Yeah.
I see you.
Why weren't the court number shown? Why weren't the court number shown? Why weren't the court number shown? Come on, speak up, big boy. Big boy. Where's the court number?
Section 78 of the Criminal Justice and Public Order Act.
And you've had the
issued by
police aiding and abetting in it.
And whose is the signature on the bottom?
When they get done, just
Is that the
let them come and
magistrate?
see you, can't they? Big boy.
Is that a magistrate signature?
Whoever has heard it.
To grant authority.
They had 14
Yeah,
days.
so this is the bone of contention, is that the courts have been contacted and no magistrate has issued an order.
They may very well have done, right, but I can't comment on that.
Just for your own information, I've had this 3 weeks ago myself, where the courts...
Sorry, I was just trying to get headed to...
Get the fuck off my dick. No, give the phone to my guys. Give my property to these guys now.
Yeah, here.
No, give all my property to these guys. Got all my keys and everything. Right. Give the phone to him.
Yeah. I have this gentleman with the camera to have your phone.
Yeah. Thank you.
You've got a piece of paper that I could have printed off myself, and you're exactly, and you're acting on that. What the bone of contention is that we know that the councils have issued documents claiming them to be from a court. The courts have been contacted, and the courts have not issued any orders, and that's the bone of contention. Now these guys, the police as well, they've actually now been complicit in that crime.
But that's for you to take up, isn't it?
Absolutely.
To take up, one with the local police, one with the local court.
So what we've done is we've bypassed lawful procedure in favour of bringing out the heavies.
That is what you are saying.
Yeah.
We will say otherwise.
Yeah, but basically that's what's happened.
Well, from what I've just witnessed,
yeah,
I would say that that's exactly what you've just did.
But it's I was just saying to your colleague here, you know, what's happened is we know that these, through phoning the courts, no court has issued any orders against Zach. That's fact. We know that because we've spoken to them. And so basically what's happened is it's a case of bringing in the heavies to resolve the problem instead of doing it in the lawful manner.
I think Hudson tried to deal with him.
Yeah, but he's still got stuff going through. He's still running through it.
I get that.
And that's been overridden by a piece of paper that isn't an official document.
With no judge's signature.
It has to be a judge.
Of course it does.
This is magistrate.
But this is why I wanted a sergeant down here.
It goes to the magistrate's team.
Yeah, but the magistrate hasn't issued any orders.
They signed it, so somebody's issued it.
Yeah, the council.
Right.
Yes, somebody.
Okay.
And that is the process that we're in. And what they've done is instead of following the process and the lawful process, they've brought in the heavies to deal with it. That's basically where we're at.
But it didn't need to get to this point.
No, it didn't. If the council had followed procedure. And they haven't.
So you need to take out the council.
Yeah, and the courts. Yeah. That's what I said.
You're working for the
No, we were. Right,
No, you're just doing your job, which is a bit of a bad position to be in.
You're not directly employed by the council, no. You're a third party.
Yes.
But you still have to follow
procedure.
And you still have to be lawful. And there's a huge difference between lawful and legal.
Right, we believe that we are.
the law.
And that's you think you're acting lawfully, we think we're acting lawfully.
In your favour.
We're just doing what we've been asked to do.
That's where it'll end up.
It doesn't personally